Hello guys, welcome to all, and in this video we are going to see another important concept in whole of machine learning, that is called ensemble techniques. Yeah, first of all, ensemble techniques are divided into two types. One is like bagging and other is boosting. So we will considering about bagging, we have like one of the famous algorithm like random forest, and we'll consider about the boosting, we have like algorithms like AdaBoost, gradient boost and XGBoost. Okay, now the most interesting thing is like in Kaggle competitions, most of them end up using these ensemble techniques to get very good scores. Okay, so in this video we are going to see about like bagging and what is the like functionality and how it performs and everything. Okay, and the first point is like bagging is primarily used to reduce high variance problem caused by single model. So by using this pictorial representation, I am going to explain you how the whole bagging works. So initially we have like whole original data set, like mean training data set, and we are going to create like multiple small data sets here by using like row sampling and also column sampling. And here row sampling can be done like replacement, but column sampling can't be done by replacement. I will explain you these things while going further. Okay, so in the step one we are going to create like multiple data sets. You have seen right, d1, d2, dt minus 1, dt, and etc. And step two we are going to build like multiple classifier, let's say like decision tree models or like logistic regression and everything. Okay, so we have c1, c2, ct minus 1 and ct. So in the final step we are going to combine classifier, and I will also explain how we are going to do like combine well regarding the classification also for regression. Okay, yeah. So first of all I'm going to explain like a bootstrap aggregation. So in bagging we have two steps, that is first thing is bootstrapping and also aggregation. Okay, in bootstrapping we are going to like we'll perform row sampling with replacement and column sampling without replacement. As we are doing like column sampling without replacement, because if you do like with replacement, it may introduce multi-collinearity. Yeah, you know about things, right? So we are only doing without replacement. Yeah, so in random forest this is called as bootstrapping, like row sampling and column sampling. So in the second step we are going like in random forest we will train with n different models and get the predictions from all the classifiers. So you see that we have performed like C classifiers, like CT classifiers, and we are going to get predictions on each every one of them. Okay, so if it is like classification model, and we will get the majority vote of all the predictions. So if it is like regression problem, like real values, we will get mean or median of all predictions. So this whole step is called predictions. Prediction state or like aggregations, because we are getting all aggregations of predictions, right? So this is called aggregation step. So yeah, this is all about like bagging. Yeah, this is the main step, like first step of dividing the whole data sets into rows, row sampling and with replacement, and column sampling without replacement, and performing classifications and like grouping all the predictions we have got. And like if it is a classification, we are going to do like majority vote, and if it like a regression, we are going to do like mean or median predictions. Yeah, so with all these things you have got a much sense about like how bagging is done and what are the different algorithms in bagging and boosting. Yeah, you can get some sense now. Yeah, thanks guys, thanks for your time. Yeah.